Hi, this is Learn Igbo on igboticnono, and in today's lesson, in today's Igbo language lesson or Igbo phrase or anything you can refer it to, we're going to be learning Ekpele. Ekpele is prayer. So in today's Igbo daily word we have is Ekpele. Ekpele is prayer. So now we're going to be making sentences, some sentences around this phrase Ekpele, around this Igbo phrase Ekpele, which means prayer. Okay, some people believe in God, some people believe in whatever thing they want to believe, or they pray to that, right? So this video is not to differentiate religions, but just because I teach Igbo language, I see it as being necessary to also teach this. Okay, so if you're not a Christian, you may not want to watch this video, feel free to watch other videos. Okay, it's all love on this side. Now when you say Annam Ekpele, Annam Ekpele, Annam Ekpele, Annam Ekpele. Do you understand? Annam Ekpele means I am praying. I'll give you an instance. Somebody calls you in the house. You're in the house and someone calls your name, but you couldn't. And someone calls your name, but you couldn't answer because you were praying. So just tell the person. Afterwards, you're done with prayer. Okay, you tell the person Annam Ekpele. Annam Ekpele means I am praying and I was praying. It depends on the context when you use it. If you are praying and the person called you, you say Annam Ekpele. Do you understand? If you are finished praying and you meet the person, you also say Annam Ekpele. You can also say Annam Ekpele. So sometimes in Igbo language, a sentence might go up, it means different things, and it might be going down, it means this different thing. Like when you say Annam Ekpele, I am praying. Annam Ekpele. Do you understand? The person may understand it that you were praying, you're no longer praying at the moment. Do you understand? Okay, let's pick another sentence. Dokita na Ekpele. Dokita na Ekpele. The doctor is praying. Dokita na Ekpele means basically the doctor is praying. The doctor is praying. Ndị Ụka Roman Catholic na-eji rosary ekpe ekpere. Ndị Ụka Roman Catholic na-eji rosary ekpe ekpere. I will say it again. Ndị Ụka Roman Catholic na-eji rosary ekpe ekpere. Means the Catholic Church, the people that go to Catholic Church, the Catholic Church members uses rosary to pray. That's what it just meant. Okay. Chioma na ekpe ekpere tupu ọ laba ụra. Chioma na ekpe ekpere tupu ọ laba ụra. Chioma na ekpe ekpere tupu ọ laba ụra. Chioma na ekpe ekpere tupu ọ laba ụra basically means Chioma prays before she goes to bed. Chioma prays before she goes to bed. Chioma na ekpe ekpere tupu ọ laba ụra. Chioma prays before she goes to bed. Okay? Ezinụlọ na ekpe ekpere. Ezinụlọ na ekpe ekpere. This family is praying. Ezinụlọ na ekpe ekpere. Ezinụlọ na ekpe ekpere. This family is praying. Ezinụlọ na ekpe ekpere. This family is praying. Ezinụlọ na ekpe ekpere. This family is praying. Ezinụlọ na ekpe ekpere mgbe niile. Mgbe niile. Ezinụlọ na ekpe ekpere mgbe niile means this family prays all the time. Mgbe niile, all the time. Ezinụlọ na ekpe ekpere mgbe niile. Ezinụlọ na ekpe ekpere mgbe niile. Ezinụlọ kwenyere na ekpere. Ezinụlọ kwenyere na ekpele. Ezinụlọ a kwenyere na ekpele. Ezinụlọ a kwenyere na ekpele. This family believes in prayer. This family believes in prayer. Ana m ekpe ekpere ekene. Prayer for thanks. Ana m ekpe ekpere ekene. Ana m ekpe ekpere ekene. Ana m ekpe ekpere ekene. I am saying prayer for thanks. Okay, so guys, this brings me to the end of this video. Hope you enjoyed it. Okay, if you have not subscribed to this channel, please endeavor to do so. On this channel I teach Igbo language phrases, how to use your sentences and vocabularies in Igbo language. I have so many videos, so feel free to go and explore around my videos and watch so many videos you want to. Okay, see, of course you're going to learn a lot. Okay, if you also want to learn how to pray in Igbo language, please tell me on the comment section and I'll teach you how to do that. Though I have video already about it, you can type and search for my name and how to pray in Igbo language. Then you add my name, igboticnono. The video is going to come up. But you want me to give you updated version, you can also tell me down in the comment section. Okay, thank you for watching and I'll see you in my next video. Do have a wonderful day. Bye.